My youngest sister spotted this coleslaw at her future mother-in-law's barbecue. Since then, I've been making it for almost every family gathering. Let me show you how. I start with red cabbage. First, I finely shred it using a mandolin. Then salt and gently massage it to soften. This step really makes a difference. The cabbage becomes tender yet still crunchy. In a clean bowl, I prepare the dressing. A generous tablespoon of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, and finely chopped spring onion. I mix everything thoroughly until smooth. For a little kick, I add a pinch of dried garlic and season with freshly ground pepper. I also pour in a splash of apple cider vinegar. It perfectly lifts the flavor and adds lightness. Now it's time to combine all the ingredients. I pour the dressing over the cabbage and add chopped pickled cucumber and thinly sliced white onion. I mix it all well. This coleslaw is fresh, full of flavor, and has the perfect balance of creaminess and crunch. No wonder it caught everyone's attention at that barbecue.